Hey everyone! Are you ready to grab some secret free items? I bet you don't have them all yet. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for a chance to get a shout out. Let's get started. The first game we will play is Puma and the Land of Game. After entering the game, an NPC will start talking to you. Then you will be taken to the shop. To complete the sign-up, simply click Next and wait until the badge notification appears. Look, the badge has appeared and you have received items. Look, we have received a red Puma hat. It looks really great. It's a perfect start to your adventure. Alright, the next game we're going to play is called Tech Quest. In this game, we'll have the chance to explore and earn some amazing items. After entering the game, follow me and we will head into the ocean portal together. Get ready for a new adventure. Here, we'll dive underwater for 30 seconds to collect special items. Keep an eye out for valuable treasures as we explore. Look, we've received a badge item. This badge represents a special achievement and it will be a great addition to our collection. Look, we've received a stunning necklace item. This necklace is not just a beautiful accessory, but it also comes with special abilities or enhancements in the game. The third game is We Don't We Lunch Party. In this game, we'll get some awesome items for free. Once you enter the game, follow me and we'll head to the shop together. Click in front of the shop and you'll see some free items. Go ahead and click on those items. Look, we've received a badge item. Look, we've received a perfect backpack item. This backpack isn't just stylish, but it also offers great functionality in the game. The next game is Roblox Career Center. Here, we can explore various exciting careers and complete missions to earn cool and unique items for our Roblox avatar. Don't miss out. After entering the game, you can follow me to the teleport area. We'll head to the Boba Cafe where you can get a free item. Here, you can immediately go to the drink counter and choose what you'd like to order, just like I'm showing you here. Look, the notification badge has appeared. That means we've successfully received the item. We finally got the item and it's absolutely adorable. We're now rewarded with a super cute accessory that will make your avatar stand out. Totally worth the effort. The next game is Clark's Sikaverse. In this game, we will get several interesting items. After entering the game, we just need to wait for 15 minutes and we will receive the items. Look, we've already received the badge notification. Look, we've already received the badge notification, and just check out this amazing lion head item. It looks so cool and is definitely going to make your avatar stand out. I'm really loving how unique it is. The next game is Roblox Creator Challenge. Stay tuned to keep earning more items. In this game, we'll be answering 3 fun and interactive quizzes. Don't worry if you don't get the answers right the first time. It's totally okay. You can try as many times as you need until you complete all the questions successfully. The goal is to have fun while learning something new. And once you've completed the quiz, a badge notification will pop up on your screen as a sign that you've earned your reward. It's a great way to enjoy the game while also collecting exclusive items for your avatar. finally got 3 beautiful items. Each one has a unique design that will make your avatar look even more stylish and fun. It really feels rewarding after completing the quizzes, and the best part is, they're completely free. The next game is Roblox Inspire 2024 Hub. In this game, we can join fun activities and get exclusive items. In this game, our mission is to find all the letters that spell out the word I-N-S-P-I-R-E. These letters are hidden throughout the map, and some of them are in secret or hard-to-reach locations. Just follow me closely, and I'll guide you to each hidden spot so we can collect them all and unlock the reward at the end. Look, we've just received a badge notification. Look, we just got a clothing item, and it looks absolutely amazing. The design is super stylish, and it's a perfect addition to our avatar's wardrobe. Totally worth the effort.